Hello all dinosaurs, I'm Dan and today we have 9 brand new dinosaurs from Jurassic World and Takara Tomy. Let's take a look at all of them right now, okay? Firstly, we have a Scutosaurus, and right over here we have a Fukisaurus from Takara Tomy. It's a brand new figure right over here, and this is a Fuki Raptor, alright? And take a look at this really cool set that comes with a Quetzalcoatlus and 2 Apatosaurus. And let's take a look at this box right over here. We have a T-Rex, we have a Therizinosaurus, and a baby Triceratops. Looks really good. And we will also take a look at some of the brand new figures I've purchased recently, okay? So let's get right into it. Okay, firstly, let's take a look at the Scutosaurus from Jurassic World. This is a Savage Strike action figure. It comes with the usual packaging. So let's turn it around and you can see it has head striking action. Looks really good. I am going to release it from its box right now just by cutting loose the strings. Okay. Wow, looks really good. Let's place it right in the middle. Okay, let's take a look at this. Beautiful Savage Strike. So it has a little tail. Scutosaurus is actually a para-reptile. It resembles a turtle, but is actually not closely related to it, or it is actually not related to the turtle at all. Okay, so let's take a look at this beautiful head sculpt. Wow, it has some spikes across the face. Looks really good. You can actually turn its head. You can move the legs right over here, up and down. You can rotate them 360 in fact. Okay, the hind legs can be moved as well, and the little tail actually activates the neck. Looks really good. So if you take a look at the code right over here, you can pause it and scan it for your Jurassic World Facts app, okay? Cool. Let's place it right in the middle. Next up, let's take a look at this irritator, which I've got recently. Savage Strike irritator. Looks so beautiful. And the Seat's Mikorum. This is Primal Attack Seat's Mikorum, okay? So we have 3 really cool looking Jurassic World figures. We shall get back into that later on, okay? Next up, let's take a look at this Fukisaurus. It's a beautiful brand new figure. I am going to cut it loose because there's some tape over here with my box cutter. Please be really careful if you're using this at home on your own, okay? Just gonna cut it loose. Okay, we are done. Let's take a look at the box. It actually says Fuki Prefectural Dinosaur Museum. Wow. Okay. So I guess this is a dinosaur discovered in Japan. So let's take a look at this. Okay, it comes with the figures and 2 information cards right over here. We shall go through it later on. But first, let's get this figure out of its box, its packaging. Okay, it's definitely not as detailed as the previous dinosaurs from Takara Tomy. And let's take a look at some information about this dinosaur. A herbivorous dinosaur belonging to the Claude Iguanodontia that was first discovered in the dinosaur excavation project in 1989. Wow. It is named as a new genus and new species of dinosaur in 2003. It was located in Kiradani, Katsuyama, Fukui Prefecture. So it was discovered in Japan, early Cretaceous period. 4.7 meters long. Just a tail which can turn. You can move the hind legs as well. Okay. Beautiful herbivorous dinosaur. Let's place it right at the back. And here the collector's card. I shall place them over here. And let's take a look at this box set Okay, this box set looks brilliant. Let's take a look at this. Let's go. Alright, let's flip it over. Wow, take a look at the background image. It looks brilliant. There are some rocks and volcanic ash flowing along the way. Beautiful illustrations on the side. Let's get them out of the box, shall we? I think we need to do a Takara Tomy collection video really soon, cause our Takara Tomy collection is expanding, so we definitely need to make a video of it. I mean, do you guys want me to do that? Please let me know, okay? So there you go, we have 3 brand new figures. Let's release them one by one. Okay, this, our first figure, is actually a Therizinosaurus, I think. You can move the arms. Looks beautiful, looks really cute. You can actually move the tiny little head and the hind legs as well. The tail can be moved. So that's a beautiful Therizinosaurus. Just gonna place it right over here. Next, let's take a look at this. Wow, what a beautiful background. So let's release the T-Rex, shall we? Okay. You can actually just cut this loose. This T-Rex looks pretty good in terms of the colors. If you can take a look at this, the tiny little arms are really small. Okay, you can move the jaw. Let's do a comparison with the older T-Rex. Okay, let's open this up. This was a 2019 T-Rex from Takara Tomy, and let's do a comparison. This is a feathered T-Rex, and this, it's a blue colored with some red patterns across the body. So this is definitely way bigger, as you can see. Yeah. Oh, it's not exactly bigger. It's almost the same. Yep, but beautiful. I love this color scheme. What about you guys? Okay, let's move on to the baby Triceratops. Okay, we gotta cut this loose. There you go. Let's get this off you. Looks so cute. Baby Triceratops. It's a green baby Triceratops with some nice details. Okay, we do have an adult Triceratops right over here. This is an older Takara Tomy figure. Let's take a look at this. Looks brilliant. So if you place them side by side, they look really good together. I'm gonna place the Triceratops right over here. And let's move on to our other brand new figure, which is the Fuki Raptor. Take a look at the box. It looks very good. Plenty of illustrations. Okay, let's get this out. Let's cut the tapes loose. Okay, this has been released. Okay, so here's the figure, and here are the 2 information cards. I'm gonna place the box right back over there. Let's get this figure out from his box. It looks beautiful. Let's place this over here first, and let's take a look at the information cards. And this is definitely a carnivorous dinosaur, and it was found in the same place, Kitadani, Katsuyama, Fuki Prefecture. From the early Cretaceous period, is a carnivore, and the nickname is actually the Thief of Fukui. Alright, and what about this? This was actually known as the Fukui lizard. Yep. So let's take a look at this. It looks brilliant. And let's do a very quick comparison with our usual Takara Tomy raptor. Oh my goodness, this guy is not able to stand properly. Okay, let me just show you a raptor, which is right over here. This is a green raptor. So let's take this out and have a look and do a quick comparison. Okay, I like this a lot because it has some really nice patterns across the body. Okay guys, so next up we shall open the new box set. So let's get it over. This is the new box set. It comes with a Quetzalcoatlus and 2 Apatosaurus. Let's open this up together. And cut this open. And once again, please be really careful if you're using this at home, okay? Okay, there you go. I'm gonna push everything right back. Okay, looks really good. I'm gonna release the Quetzalcoatlus first. Wow, it's actually tied on to this really tight. There you go. We have our first figure. Let's place it right over here and let's take a look. A beautiful Quetzalcoatlus. It has movable wings. If you take a close look at this, it looks really good. Beautiful color combination. And let's do a comparison with the older Therizinosaurus, which is a Pteranodon. Let's get it out and do a very quick comparison. So if you take a look at this, they look very similar in terms of the size. Okay, let's get back to the box and release this Apatosaurus, shall we? I think this will take some time. Okay, this scissors is not sharp at all, so I'm actually having some difficulty cutting it loose. Need to get this out of the way. There you go. This is the adult Apatosaurus. It looks brilliant. If you take a look at this, it's really huge and long. Okay, Apatosaurus, I suppose. You can move the neck. You can rotate this. This portion can be moved. The legs can't be moved. The 2 points of articulation right over here. Okay, let's do a size comparison with the previous Brachiosaurus, which has a removable head. I mean, it's not exactly so. It just came loose. So there you go. So Apatosaurus versus the Brachiosaurus. Okay, it looks brilliant. I'm wondering whether I should be putting my Takara Tomy figures in my new shelf next time. Okay, next up, let's get this out. And we have a mini Apatosaurus. Let's take a look at this. Wow, looks really cute. Okay, let's take a look at this, an overview of everything that we have got. So we have some new figures, Quetzalcoatlus, mini Apatosaurus, a new T-Rex, a Therizinosaurus, Scutosaurus. We have a Fukisaurus right over here, Fuquasaurus. It's having some difficulty standing. And Fuquaraptor. And an ABB Triceratops. Looks so cute. Of course, the adult Apatosaurus right behind. And let's take another look at this Siatsmikorum, which is so brilliant. You can actually move the jaw like this. So you tap this, the jaw will just go open and close. And this irritator is definitely my most favorite in this video. What about you guys? Alright, hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and do let me know which is your most favorite dinosaur figure from this video. Let me know over on Facebook or Instagram. Follow me, make sure you follow me there, okay? And I'll see you guys on Saturday for the next video, okay? Goodbye.